class 7, you have come across many algebraic expressions and equations. Some examples of expressions are like 3x or 2x plus 4, xy plus z, x square plus 1, y square minus 1 minus y. Like now some examples of equations are like 3x equals to 24 or 2x plus 4 equals to 10, 5x plus 5 by 2 equals to 1. Okay, these are expression and these are equation. Now, what is the difference between expression and equation? The equation use the equality sign. Equation use the equality sign. In expression, equation equal sign is missing here. The expression we use to form equation in chapter 2 is linear equations in one variable. That means the expression we use to form equation are linear. This means that the highest power of the variables appearing in the expression is 1. Now if I write 2x plus 7 equals to 5 and 2x square plus 7 equals to 5. What is the difference? Here variable is one variable only. Okay. Now here power of x is 1. Here power is 2. That means this is linear equation. When the highest power of variable is 1, then we will say it a linear equation. Okay. Now here we are talking about, we will restrict our discussion on only one variable. Okay. Now this is also an equation, but this is how many variables? 2 variables. So we will not discuss this here. So some example of linear equation will be like this: 2x plus 7 equals to 5, or 5 by 2x plus 1 equals to 0, this way. X square plus 1 equals to 5, or y square minus y plus 2 equals to 3. These are not linear equation. These are not linear equation because their power is 2, highest power. Now next is an algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. Okay, it has an equal sign. It is having an equal sign and it is having a variables. Say if I take this for an example, this is variable, this is equal sign, and it will make a linear equation. Now there are two sides. This side is the left hand side of this equal sign and this is right hand side. So this is left hand side, this is right hand side. This will be true only for certain values of the variables. This will be true only for certain values of these variables. These values are the solution, that those values will be the solution of this equation. Now how to find the solution of an equation? How to find the solution of an equation? there are many methods. I'll discuss two here. Two sides of an equation are balanced. We should perform the same mathematical operation on both the sides to maintain their equation so that the balance doesn't get disturbed. So take for an example 5x minus 7 equals to 5x minus 7 equals to 3. One is we have to find solution for this. The first method, we will add a number so that this side are left with only the variables. Okay, so minus 7 means if I add plus 7 here, this minus 7 and plus 7 will become 0. So I have to add plus 7 here also, otherwise that equation will get disbalanced. Okay, so this is 5x and minus 7 plus 7 is 0, so equals to 10. And again I have to remove this 5 here, multiplication, so I have to divide it by 5. Both sides I have to divide, so it is left with only x, and 10 by 5 is 2. Okay, this is one method. Another method is by transposing method. By transposing method. So if 5x minus 7 equals to 3, if I transpose this minus 7 to the right hand side, it will become plus 7. It will become plus 7. So 5x equals to 10. Now you have to divide this by 5. So the answer is 2. Okay. Now you have to solve this exercise 2.1. Your homework will be question number 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. These will be your homework. You try this at your home. If you can't do it, ask me during doubt session. Thank you.